In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can connect your Python application to SQL Server database. The first thing that you want to do is install the pyodbc driver. So the command for this is py-m pip install pyodbc. Then you go ahead and import the pyodbc module. Then you define the connection to your SQL Server. I have my server, localhost in this case, the database that I'm connecting to, and the username and password of my user. Then I'm initializing my cursor with a connection, right? Then I'm simply defining a sample data set which will be inserted in this table here, person within my database. And then this here is just a sample query to select the data. And this is the output down below. So if we run it again, I got an error because of a primary key. So let's change this primary key value and then run the application again. So let's execute again, and I've inserted the second records, and this is the result of my sample data set. Now if you want to download the script, the link will be in the description of this video. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.